Okay. So I will not repeat again. यहाँ पे वीडियो मुझे तिथि का वीडियो ऑफ है, निष्ठा's वीडियो इज ऑल्सो ऑफ, मोहित, सुहानी, शौर्य, समृद्धि. These are the questions. Question number 1 and 2 we have done. We are in question number 3. Question number 3 is a car travels a distance of I will take doubts in last 10 minutes. No one will raise hand in between. Question number 3 is a car travels a distance of 540 kilometers. Means what is given in question? Distance. So write down given distance is equals to 540 kilometers in 6 hours. And what is given? Time. So time is equals to, in next line, time is equals to 6 hours. What speed did it travel at? You have to find, what you have to find in next line, you will write down find is equals to speed is equals to question mark. So what is the formula to calculate speed? Raise your hand, only one. What is the formula to calculate speed? Yes, Mahi.
Ma'am, the formula of
Titi, wait. I'm asking Mahi.
ma'am, the formula of speed is speed ma'am time और distance को मल्टी डिवाइड करना है.
So distance to time. Tell me formula. Don't tell me speed is equals to what?
Speed is equal to distance upon time.
Yes, correct. ऐसे बोलना है. Okay, correct, Mahi. Speed is equals to distance upon time. Now everyone lower down your hand. Calculate answer fast. I'm giving a minute. And those who have done, they can drop their answer in chat box. Yes, correct. 90 what? 90 kilometers. What is the unit? Per speed. What is the unit for speed? Meter per second and or kilometer per hour. ठीक है? Speed is measured in kilometer per hour or meter per second. So answer is सिर्फ 90 नहीं लिखोगे, 90 kilometers per hour, because in question it is given in kilometer and hours. Okay. Moving to next question. Question number 4. John is a runner. He runs the 100-meter sprint in 10 to 6 10.6 है. Okay, 10.6 seconds. What speed did he travel at? Now you have, in this question also you have to find speed. Distance is given 100 meter. Distance is equals to 100 meter. Time is given 10.6 second. You have to find speed. So speed is equals to distance upon time. And in this question, you have to your speed will be measured in meter per second. In question number 3, we have measured speed in kilometers per hour, because in question it is given in kilometers and hours. In question number 4, you will find it in meters per second. Answer of 4 is yes, Janya, correct answer. 9.4 meter per second. हाँ Janya, I got your answer. No need to send 4-5 times. Correct answer. Correct answer is 9.4 meter per second. Answer of 4 is 9.4 meter per second. Those who have not calculated, giving a minute, calculate fast. Tithi, what are you doing? Tithi, what are you doing? Tanay and Arham. Samriddhi, start your video. Samriddhi, Nishtha, Tithi. I said no one will turn off their video in between. मुझे सब कॉपी में लिखते हुए नजर आने चाहिए. Where is your copy? Moving to next question, question number 5. A cyclist travel 20 kilometers in 4 hours. What is the speed? Yes, Arav, correct answer. Okay, yes, Labdhi, your answer is also correct. Whatever आपका जो भी डाउट है, please drop your doubt in chat box. I will read and I will tell the solution. जो भी डाउट है, drop your doubt in chat box. तपस्या, drop your doubt in chat box. Janya, you also. Question number 5. In question number 5 also you have to find speed. So speed is equals to distance upon time. In this question you will measure speed in kilometers per hour. So 20 divided by 4. Answer is 5. 5 kilometers per hour. Answer of 5th. 5 kilometers per hour. Moving to question number 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में क्या समझ में नहीं आया? अ साइक्लिस्ट ट्रेवल 20 किलोमीटर्स. ट्रेवल कर रहा है मतलब 20 किलोमीटर इज डिस्टेंस इन 4 आवर्स. टाइम कितना दिया है? 4 आवर्स दिया है. व्हाट स्पीड डिड द साइक्लिस्ट साइकिल एट? स्पीड निकालनी है. व्हाट स्पीड, एट व्हाट स्पीड दैट साइक्लिस्ट साइकिल, मतलब वो कितनी स्पीड में साइकिल चला रहा था. तो स्पीड आपको निकालनी है. स्पीड का फॉर्मूला है स्पीड इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. Distance is given 20 kilometer and time is given 4 hours. So 20 divided by 4. Answer is 5. Okay, Tapasya? Okay. आज ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. In next class I will take test. Very good, Bhavya. Where is your copy? So are you writing in your copy? Don't show me just copy. Write down in copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6 is the distance between two cities is 144 kilometer. Distance is given. Yes, Jana, let me first complete question number 6, then I will explain question number 7. The distance between two cities is 144 kilometer. Distance is given 144 kilometer. It takes me 3 hours to travel between these cities. Time कितना लग रहा है to travel this much distance? 3 hours. What speed did I travel at? Again, in this also you have to find speed. Speed is equals to distance upon time. Distance is given. Distance is equals to 144 kilometer. Arham, write down in copy. Distance is equals to 144 kilometer. Time is equals to 3 hours. Tanay. So speed is equals to, speed कितनी निकली? What is the answer of question number 6? What is the answer of question number 6? Yes, Mai, your answer is correct. (48 kilometer per hour is answer of question number 6. Yes, 48 kilometer. Just you have to send answer, not your name, in chat box. 48 kilometers per hour is the correct answer of question number 6. Question number 7. A coach travels from the station to the beach, a distance of 576 kilometers away in 6 hours. The coach is only allowed to travel at a maximum speed of 90 kilometers per hour. Did the coach break the speed limit? Means distance is given, time is given and speed is also given in question. So क्वेश्चन में ये पूछा है डिड द कोच ब्रेक द स्पीड लिमिट. स्पीड लिमिट क्या कोच ने ब्रेक की है? सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड स्पीड. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में यूजिंग डिस्टेंस गिवन, डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल्स टू 576 किलोमीटर एंड टाइम इज 6 आवर. यूजिंग दिस यूनिट यू हैव टू फाइंड स्पीड. आपका जो स्पीड निकलेगा यू हैव टू कंपेयर योर स्पीड दैट यू हैव फाइंड with the speed given in the question. क्वेश्चन में 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर दिया है. आप पहले स्पीड कैलकुलेट करो कितना आ रहा है और वो दोनों की स्पीड कंपेयर करो. अगर इक्वल है तो आंसर इज नो, और अगर स्पीड ज्यादा है तो यस द कोच ब्रेक द स्पीड लिमिट. समझ में आया कि ये क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7? किसको समझ में नहीं आया? रेज योर हैंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Okay, look here on the board. Now lower down your hand. In question number 7, distance is given. Distance is given. Time is also given. And speed is also given. Okay. कितना कितना दिया है? Distance is 576 kilometer. Time is 6 hours. And speed is 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर। सो क्वेश्चन में ये बोल रहा है कि देयर इज अ कोच, एक कोच है, दैट कोच इज ट्रैवलिंग कितना डिस्टेंस 576 किलोमीटर एंड एट व्हाट टाइम 6 आवर्स टू ट्रैवल दिस मच ऑफ डिस्टेंस व्हाट टाइम इज रिक्वायर्ड 6 आवर्स एंड स्पीड इज आल्सो गिवन कि वो कोच कितने स्पीड में ट्रैवल करता है। ओके, सो क्वेश्चन में ये पूछा है डिड द कोच, हर कोच की हर ट्रेन की एक स्पीड लिमिट होती है, इतने ही स्पीड में ट्रेन को ट्रैवल करना है। सो क्वेश्चन में ये पूछा है डिड द कोच ट्रैवल, डिड द कोच क्रॉस द स्पीड लिमिट, क्या वो स्पीड लिमिट क्रॉस कर रहा है कोच। तो फॉर दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड कि उसकी स्पीड क्या थी यूजिंग दिस डिस्टेंस एंड टाइम। सो स्पीड इज इक्वल्स टू distance upon time. Distance is given 576 and speed is 6. So 6 nines are 54. Then 6 6 are 36. Speed is 96 किलोमीटर पर आवर। बट वो कितने स्पीड में ट्रैवल कर रहा था क्वेश्चन में दिया है द कोच इज ट्रैवलिंग एट द स्पीड ऑफ 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर। ठीक है, दिस मींस द स्पीड इज, स्पीड कितनी है कम है 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर, बट स्पीड कितने स्पीड में उन्हें ट्रैवल करना चाहिए 96 किलोमीटर पर आवर है। So this speed is smaller than the required speed. So did the coach crossing the speed limit? Answer is no. The coach मतलब वो कोच 96 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से चला सकता है ट्रेन, बट ही is traveling at the speed of 90 kilometers per hour. So no, the coach is not crossing the speed limit. ओके, क्लियर है अभी। दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। वेट अ मिनट। Yes, Riddhi. Here are next questions. Question number 8 and
Ma'am, I have doubt in fourth question.
क्या डाउट है?
मैम मेरे को में से बन नहीं रहा फोर्थ क्वेश्चन।
100 डिवाइडेड बाय 10.6 करना है। 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 10.6। ठीक है, पहले बाकी के क्वेश्चंस लिखो, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी।
यस मैम।
राइट डाउन रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन। Question number 8. At the equator, the Earth spins at a distance of 25,992 miles every day. What speed does the Earth spins at in mph? Means every day means how many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. So you will divide 25,992 by 24 because this distance the Earth is traveling at 24 hours. Means हर दिन में इतना distance travel कर रही है. So what is the speed of the Earth? So you will divide 25,992 by 24. Because क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है, एवरी डे. सो हाउ मेनी आवर्स इन अ डे? 24 आवर्स इन अ डे. Everyone's video is off. And Ashi, you have joined class late. So आपका अटेंडेंस हो गई है और मार्क एब्सेंट मार्क हुआ है. There you also. Those who have joined the class late, उनका एब्सेंट मार्क होगा. Keep this in mind. What is the answer of question number 8? Anyone solve? किसी ने solve किया है? Only 10 minutes left. Yes, you.
1083.
1083 what? What is the unit?
Ma'am, answer.
1083 mph.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. युग आपने नोट्स नहीं भेजे बेटा.
मैम मैथ्स का कौन सी चैप्टर कराए हो?
टिल चैप्टर नंबर 15.
मैम 15. मैं आज भेज दूंगा.
मुझे एनुअल का पोर्शन भेजो, एनुअल का नोट्स बना के भेजो, चैप्टर नंबर 9 से लेके 15 तक.
यस मैम.
1083 mph is the correct answer of question number 8. Moving to question number 9. Lauren walks 100 meter in a half minute. Half minute means, half minute मतलब क्या होता है? Half minute means 30 seconds. So 100 meter in 30 seconds. What must her speed have been to travel this distance? To travel 100 meter, what is her speed? So again, write down given distance is equals to 100 meter, time is equals to 30 seconds. Find, in next line, find speed is equals to question mark. Today we will solve till question number 11. Question number 11 तक करेंगे, फिर next remaining question we will solve in next class. Okay? So 100 divided by 30. Answer is 100 divided by 30. Answer is, anyone has solved? Yes, everyone have to write the formula in every question. In each question, you have to write what is given in the question, what you have to find, and what is the formula applied in the question. Okay, in every question, these 3 steps should be there. Okay, maths में हर steps के ऊपर marks रहते हैं. So सारे steps आपके clear होंगे तभी आपको full marks मिलेंगे. So 100 divided by 30, what is the answer? And after completing, you have to make PDF of your notes, today's revision work, and you have to send your PDF in my email ID. Okay? जैसे आप रोज भेजते हो वैसे आपको हर दिन का रिवीजन का PDF बना के भेजना है. Today we are going to solve till question number 11. Remaining question we will solve in next class. Question number 10. A mouse runs a distance of 2 meter. Distance is given 2 meter in 15 seconds. So time is given. Time is equals to 15 seconds. What is its speed? You have to calculate. What you have to find? You have to find speed. What is the formula of speed? Raise your hand and tell me the answer. What is the formula to calculate speed? Yes, very good. हाँ अवनी बताओ.
Distance upon time.
Distance upon time. Yes, correct. Giving a minute. Those who have solved this answer, question number 10, can drop your answer in chat box.
Ma'am,
Yes, Avni.
ma'am, answer 7.5 meter per second.
7.5. How come 7.5? 2 divided by 15. When you will divide 2 by 15, आपका आंसर डेसिमल में आएगा ना.
मैम तो डेसिमल में ही तो बोले.
7.2 is smaller. Dividend is smaller than divisor. So आंसर क्या आएगा? आप फिर से डिवाइड करो.
Oh.
2 divided by 5, not 15 divided by 5. Yes, Riddhi.
Ma'am, answer 2 1 by 7.
Which one? You are telling answer of which question?
Ma'am, 10th question.
0.13. बेटा आप लोग कैसे कर रहे हो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. And what is the answer of question number 9? Question number 9 का आंसर
Ma'am, 3.3.
हाँ 3.3 is question number 10. Distance is given. Distance कितना दिया है? 2 meter. Time is given 15 seconds. What is the formula of speed? Speed is equal to distance upon time. distance is 2 by 15. So यहाँ पे डिविडेंड छोटा है ना बेटा. So first we will take 15
point.
point. So point लेंगे तो 0 आएगा. Now 15 के टेबल में 20 आता है.
ये
नहीं आता because 15 2s is 30. So first we will take
yes
15 minus 0 minus 5 is 5. This 2 has given carry over 0. 1 minus 1 cancel out. Again we will take 0. Now 50 आता है 15 के टेबल में. 50 रिद्धि 50 आता है 15 के टेबल में.
मैम 1 मिनट.
नहीं आता. 45 आता है.
यस
क्या 45? Again remainder 5 आया. So our answer is 0.13 meter per